before the PhD opportunity came up, I was working on my master's program in energy at Texas A&M University. And so I had just planned on basically getting an internship with a national lab, preferably NREL or Sandia National Labs. And from my experiences with both national labs, I knew that they were doing work on tribal land, helping connect tribes with energy resources. And so I decided that that was the best way to kind of approach renewable energy development. That was my priority, renewable energy development on tribal lands. So for research, we are going to be, for the first topic to look at, we're looking at energy sovereignty and how tribes use energy sovereignty to further their own sovereignty as a whole, like as a nation. And then there's another aspect that Nathan can talk about.
So this project came about through discussions with a group in New Mexico called the Energy Sovereignty Institute. And they're more of a sort of socially oriented organization that works with tribes to help them understand sort of their options with regards to developing their energy systems, moving towards renewables to centralized energy systems, particularly accounting for this idea of energy sovereignty. That means developing energy resources in a way that's compatible with their values and their sort of cultural heritage, but also developing energy systems that reduce the reliance on tribal sources of energy. I think an important piece of this work is starting with understanding community views and values. And that will be diverse because there's a huge diversity in tribes in this country. The idea really is that we want this research to actually have an impact on the ground, that it's not a dissertation that gets written and then collects dust on a shelf, but that it actually has an impact on people's lives. And so the goal with this project is to try and better understand sort of diverse tribal views on this relationship between energy and sovereignty and what that means about sort of energy transition pathways to support the goals and objectives of tribes.